Do you want to know how you can use or access the hotkeys on QuillBot? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access the hotkeys on QuillBot. Go ahead and open QuillBot.com on any of your browser and you can see that this is the interface which will be shown. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Go ahead and tap on any of these, and on the right hand side you can see hotkeys. Tap on it. I'm going to explain some of the hotkeys over here. So you can use Alt plus C to copy the sentences. Let's suppose you want to copy this sentence. Just press on Alt plus C and you can see the sentence has been copied. The second hotkey is to paraphrase all text. You can use Ctrl plus Enter. So use Ctrl and Enter and you can see the phrase has been paraphrased. The third one is to copy all paraphrased text. So you can see that you can do this all and click on Ctrl plus C and all of the text has been copied. Now you can see the canvas divider over here. To use it, you can see Ctrl plus vertical line will open Auto Center. Now I'm going to teach you some extra keywords or hotkeys. To undo it, you can just press on Ctrl plus Z and you can undo it, or you can redo it by pressing Ctrl plus Y on your keyboard. So these are some of the hotkeys provided by QuillBot. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.